Hi, my name is Julie Luma and I'm with Off the Wall Quilt, and I'm going to show you how to put together your adjustable quilt strip ruler today. In my package I find my orange guide, my ruler, my slip stop, and my wing nuts and screws. I'm going to start by putting the slip stop on, so I'm going to flip my ruler over like this, and I'm going to find the end by the ones, and it has the finger guard on it. I'll remove the backing from my slip stop. You may have noticed it's clear when you saw us, and now it looks brown, but that's because I need to take this brown paper off and put it on here. I want to make sure it's not going beyond the edge of my ruler because that will dull my rotary cutter. So I'm going to set it back just a little bit. Now, for some reason I don't get it right where I want it. It's easy enough to peel back off and stick down where I need it. So I'm just going to tack it down in a couple places to make sure that I have it exactly where I want it. Pulling that brown paper off and making sure I'm back from the edge a bit. And there we go. And then I just run my finger along here. I don't feel anything rough. So then I'm just gonna push that down so it's stuck really well. And I am ready to go. My ruler is not going to slide. Now I'm going to take the orange guide and also place it on the bottom of the ruler. And you can see there's a beveled edge right here. I want that one to be facing this way so that I can put my screws in there and they sink down nice and flat. I'm going to put the wing nut on the other side, and then I am all ready to go and use my ruler. Thanks.